Now important thing is that which kind of commodity? Anyone? Both nation will gain in trade by specializing. Specialization means you will produce only that particular commodity in which you have absolute advantage, right? Now let's see the example. See here, let's say two countries, USA and India. Okay, and there are two commodities, two countries, 2x2 model, and labor is there. This is also like that only. Ricardo में भी यही था. So here we have taken first, let's say wheat. One is wheat, and next let's say cloth. Wheat and cloth. So wheat में चलो let's say bucket per hour. How many wheat is produced per bucket per hour? And cloth में चलो मीटर, कितना मीटर cloth produce होता है per hour. Clear? So USA is producing, let's assume 8 bucket per hour. It is based on labor theory of value. Remember, be it comparative advantage or be it absolute advantage, all based on labor theory of value. So here labor का power है, क्योंकि 1 hour labor जो है that is producing 8 kg or 8 bucket of wheat, right? In USA, but in India that Indian laborers are hardly able to produce 3. Clear हो गया? Then USA comes to cloth. Cloth में USA is producing 6 meter per hour, one labor. But in India, cloth हमारा अच्छा है, so we are producing same. So any doubt to understand this? If you understood it, your things are very clear. Clear? बस यही तो समझना है. टेबल आप समझ गए, your international economics is very easy. हम इसको अच्छे से देखेंगे. अब क्या हुआ? You should be very clear with your own this analysis. It can be understood that USA has advantage in which commodity?
Wheat.
Exactly. 1 hour if they give to the wheat, they can produce 8 units, but cloth can be produced only 6. So USA will definitely produce wheat. But Indian people, why they would waste on wheat? Because in the same 1 hour of labor, they can produce 7 units of cloth. So India will be specializing their labor into. So here I am writing India will specialize there. From this table, they can ask simply a question. They will specialize in cloth and they will produce the cloth. So India had 2 hours, 1 hour this, 1 hour this, and this 1 hour will be also shifted here. So how many cloths it can be produced? 7 cloth in 1 hour. Now they have 2 hours because this 1 hour will be left. So this can be also put here, 7 into 7. So 14 units, right? And how much USA? Anyone? USA will produce wheat.
16 units, sir.
Exactly. Because this 8 and this 6, they can save the time and they can produce this 8 extra. So this 8, that is 16. Great. Now let us look into कि हमारा total benefit क्या हुआ, because overall.
Can you please explain again that 2 hour thing?
नहीं, आपके पास 2 लेबर थे. 1 hour में एक लेबर 3 प्रोड्यूस करता था आपका wheat, and next hour they used to produce 7 unit of cloth. Clear? Now India is focusing कि we will be specializing because we are more efficient in producing cloth. So they will produce only cloth only. First hour में they produce 7 unit. Next hour में क्या होगा? They will not produce wheat, and that extra 1 hour they will focus on cloth. And the productivity of labor is that in India 7. Clear? 7 है ना cloth का. So next hour भी cloth में ही लगेगा. तो 7 plus 7 क्या होगा? 14. Similarly for the USA, 8 hours for the wheat. Again next 8 hours, 8 unit of for wheat per hour. ये per hour है. 16. Clear? Now you tell me one more thing. What is the total output? Pre-trade or pre-specialization or post-specialization?
Pre-specialization, 11 units of wheat were produced and 13 units of cloth. And after specialization, 16 units of wheat and 14 units of cloth. So gain of 5 units of wheat and 1 unit of cloth.
Yes, very true. So total यहाँ पे देखिए 8 plus 6 14 होता था and 3 plus 7 10 होता था. So India was producing 10 units of output and USA was producing 14 units of output. But after trade what happened? India is producing 14 units. So 4 gain यहाँ पे हुआ. Total gain कितना हुआ? 4 units. USA का gain कितना हुआ? 2 units. So if question is asked that if this table they will give and they will simply ask which country has more gain, India has more gain. Earlier before trade India was producing 10 unit. Now they are producing 7 plus 3 10. Now they are producing 7 plus 7, that is 14 unit. Total gain is 4 unit. Earlier USA was producing total, here we have seen 8 plus 6, I think 14. 8 plus 6, 14 years. You can see there we have explained. So 18 plus 6, 8 plus 6, that was 14 unit before trade. This is for India, this is for USA. After trade, what happened? This 14 become 8 plus 8, that is 16. So total gain is 2, delta gain, delta output. So India has gained more. So overall economy is gaining 6. Before the trade, when trade was not happening, it was only 10 plus 14, 24 units. And after the trade, 14 plus 16, 30 units. So net gain is 6. Any doubt? That's all about absolute trade advantage theory. किसी को समझ में नहीं आया तो you can definitely ask. Clear? आगे बढ़े अब?
Yes, sir.
Hope now it's very clear. I hope कि अब comparative भी आप लोग अच्छे से समझ जाएंगे. अच्छा, I have one doubt. Can someone tell what is degree of openness? Degree of openness. Anyone?